Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday August 11th 2020. We have here 1 star, 2 star Sudoku, 4 star Sudoku, a binary and a tectonic. So total of 5 extra Sudokus in this additional. And we start with the 1 star Sudoku, and this Sudoku will be number 1324. Yes, 1324. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I know the 1 star has 27, but let me check. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 22, plus 5 is 27, as expected. Alright, let's get started. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these two boxes. There 9. No 9 in those two boxes. One box left for the 9. Should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about these three boxes? The missing numbers here in this big square are the number 6, the 4, and 2. We see here 6, so no 6 in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. The 2 and the 4 goes there. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the row above, so in that row the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then four missing numbers in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 3 and the 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in this row, so no 3 and a 1 in those two boxes. So the 3 and a 1 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. And I cannot fill this yet, so I mark them again for you. 7 and 8. That means the last row we have 2 missing numbers now. The numbers are the 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. How about these 3 numbers? The 2 is missing in this row, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 5, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait again. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet, but I will mark them for you, 1 and 3, so you can follow it easier. It's a pair also. How about the number? The number. Ay. 3, yes. The 1. I'm thinking 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. Still cannot fill this yet, but I will mark them for you, 6 and 9. So it's a pair, you can follow it easier then. So 8. Yeah. It's hot, very hot. 3 missing numbers in this middle column. The numbers are the 6, the 3, and the 7. 3, 6, 7. We see here 6 and a 3. So in this box cannot be 6 or the 3. 1 digit left should be the 7. The 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in the third row and a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about 1. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. I've not included these 2 boxes, but one of the 4 missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. First digit, alright. Yeah. 1, 3, 2, 2, 7, 4, 2. Well. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. So we have in this row a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. In the middle row we have a 7 over there. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 3, and 2. Yes, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this row. Here we have a 2, so no 2 there. Here in this box, we have a 2 over there, so no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. And now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 9. How about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing. The 9 is missing. And the 5 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait again. Yeah. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and the 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in the last column? The numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then how about 3 and these 2 numbers in the middle row. The missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. And look, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. And look, we have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 1. That means can I use the 1? But all the 3s are used, I can see. No, and all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. 1, 7 and 8. 1, 7 and 8. No. Need to wait. And how about the 2? And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Now about the 5. The 5 I cannot fill this yet. No. How about the 9? Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes. 2 numbers left in this row. The second row, those 2 numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Now I have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 1 number left in this column, second column, for the number 1. And the final number of this big square for the number 7. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku in this additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.